Smooth Scene Camera is an asset that brings a single feature from most major engines into Unity. The Smooth Scene Camera Zoom. If we scroll in Unity, you can see that it's quite choppy and pleasant to look at. However, if we enable the Smooth Zoom option, it's going to become much smoother and nicer to look at. It's fully customizable, so we can increase the zoom amount. That's basically how big the step is. So if we zoom now, you can see it's much larger. You can change the zoom distance power. It's basically an exponent that the distance to the zoom pivot is being raised to. So if we put it at something lower, you'll notice that even if we get quite close, our zoom is still going to be fast. And if you get further, it's going to stay about the same. However, if we put it to something like actually let's do 1, you'll notice that the closer we get, the more slow we are. And then the further we get, the zoom step increases. We also have the zoom duration, which basically defines the length of the zoom animation. So if you place it to something high like 2, it's going to look quite odd. Like, it's quite teased. And we put it to something low, it's going to be much closer to something you would see in Godot, I would say. We also have different easings. So for example, linear, if you'd like that for some reason, although it looks quite bad. And even something like ease out bounds. So if that's for you, go ahead and use it. In my opinion, XPod is just the best. Oops. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this asset.